So hello, I'm Esther Mariucci. I'm a professor in statistics at the University of Versailles in France. And I was so excited when I received the invitation to come here to participate to the EVTALES machine learning program. But then when I realized that actually this means that I should have been away from home for 4 weeks, I didn't feel so well because I have a 3-year-old daughter. And I was really excited, but at the same time, I felt like I cannot do that. I cannot just be in London for so long. And so I wrote to the organizers and I explained my situation, and I was so surprised when they told me that actually the Isaac Newton Institute provides a fantastic childcare program which allowed us to bring our daughter here in London. So now my family is here. So I can come here to the Alan Turing Institute every morning, have really valuable time to work here with other researchers with whom I wouldn't have the occasion to meet. And also, so what is really nice for this kind of program is the fact that we are all together for quite a long time. So this means that we have time to do valuable research, something which is really meaningful. So it's not just a collaboration with one colleague, but with a pool of colleagues with different backgrounds. And you can do that only participate to this kind of program, like with longer the time. And I couldn't have managed to do that if I had come alone, because to be honest, I wouldn't have coped with being away from my daughter for so long. What is going on right now is that I can work a lot, enjoy working, and I know that my daughter is enjoying London with my husband, so they are doing great things. And I feel happy that I come back home. So don't be afraid to ask for support, because you could be really surprised in knowing that this great kind of support exists, and you could really enjoy a very quite long stay, even with a 3 years daughter.